Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. My name is Rishi and I'm going to start a new playlist that is House of Docker. So in this playlist we are going to cover the basics and fundamental of the Docker. Uh, for example, we'll look at the installation and configuration, then the image creation, management and registry, and particularly we deep dive into certain topic like networking, orchestration, storage and volume, and try to understand the basic. And along with that, we look at the best practices which we need to consider when we are deploying our containers through Docker in our production or enterprise level environment. So the whole objective here is to create a strong foundation of the Docker fundamentals. So later when we move up in our stack and discuss more advanced topic like Kubernetes and other implementation of the Docker container, we should have a strong grasp on the low level and the basics. We try to explore all this via hands-on and more in a practical manner. So let's get started and jump to the Docker learning. Again, welcome to House of the Docker and let's explore the world of the container.